take your pick on who you think's going to win. 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go. Let's talk to some drivers. Hello, Bob. How did you drive so fast? I just think it was easy because I'm a sports car and I've got a little spoiler on the back, so I think it went really fast. So yeah, thank you, Bob. Let's go back to driving then. Thank you. Oop, forgot my helmet. Hello, Jacob. How did you get in a crash with the red car? Oh yeah, I was just driving and then out of nowhere the red car, or I forgot what car, but some car just came running at me and hit right in the side.